Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with my Artymaze and A Tattered Dream design team project, and it's this little bee journal. So I made this with the faux leather technique. I do have a video on that. So this is a 9x12 envelope that I have done that faux leather technique on. There are little corners on the cover. Those are from A Tattered Dream. And I've tied it up with some sari silk ribbon. And I've got one of the little rusted pins from Denise's shop, A Tattered Dream, here holding this great big bee. And let's just kind of look at the cover here. I've layered up, and I have one of the pieces from Artymaze's kit. I used the Bee Garden kit for this journal. So this is a little pocket really on the front here, and I have one of the library cards from Denise's shop. It's got a little embellishment here from Artymaze's kit. I've got a bulb pin from A Tattered Dream with a button and a little bee charm. And so that just slides into this pocket on the cover. Got a couple little Tim Holtz paper clips there. That was an idea that I took from my own bee journal that my friend Eve had made me. So let's go inside. So here's the first page of the beautiful kit from Artymaze that I've used on the inside cover of the journal cover. Then the first page is a collage that I did using one of the pages from the kit. I have a little scrappy embellishment down here, and then some fabric trim from A Tattered Dream along the side there. Then this side can be written on. There's just a little piece from the kit there. And then, of course, the beautiful images. And I did print a background of beehive on the back that comes with Artymaze's kits. This little page is kind of it's almost like a ledger paper with some lace on the side here. This is an eco-dyed print from Rosemary Morris. She does lovely eco-dyeing, and it went perfectly in this journal. Another page from the kit, and then some of the pages I put the lined background on. Here is a little avocado dyed paper. This is from GT Designs, and it's got a piece from the kit that's actually a tuck if you wanted to tuck something in there. This page has a number 10 envelope pocket that I made and covered with paper from the kit. This is a little embellishment that was gifted to me, and these two pieces are from the kit. This one has some corrugated cardboard lines on it, so those tuck in there. And then sideways here, there's a little index card for journaling with some lace on it there. Another one of those beautiful eco-dyed papers. Then on this coffee dyed paper, I just have clipped one of the trifold envelopes that I have a video on making these. And inside I have some just some little cards for journaling on the back. They have some of the trim from A Tattered Dream, and this is one of the little printables that you get in Artymaze's kit. And so I have Be Kind on this one. This one is just a scrappy embellishment on there. This is fabric here and some trim. So just sewed that on that one. And then this one again has a little scrappy embellishment and a little bee stencil. So that's the trifold envelope included, and then you tuck the flap under this little paper pebble, and then it all just clips right on to the journal there. It's one of the beautiful papers from the kit. This is one of the journaling cards. Again, I've used corrugated cardboard to stamp lines on the back, so it's easy to journal on. This is a floating pocket, and that I made out of a window envelope, and I took one of the postcards from Artymaze's kits and just glued it into the window. And then the back here, this is part of one of the pieces of the kit. We've got a little stamp, and up at the top I have some trim that's a digital from my shop. And then inside the pocket I have Artymaze's triple big tags, and of course you can cut those apart and use them separately, but I left them together and did the corrugated cardboard so that they could be journaled on. That pops right in that little floating pocket. Got a fabric flip here with several pieces of fabric, and then this is an embellishment or applique, I guess you could say, from A Tattered Dream. Got a little corner pocket here with one of the printables. This was a beautiful piece of work from my friend Carolyn. This is fabric that she has made beehive out of, and then there's coffee dyed paper on the back so it can be journaled on. But it's just a beautiful piece. Little piece from clothing that fit right in. A little die cut negative there. Some more of the beautiful papers. And this envelope, I just used some pieces to embellish, and this is just one of the scrappy embellishments, some washi, and oh, I guess there's a little something on the inside too, the washi again. The little bugs from the washi, and I just have that clipped on top with a Tim Holtz clip here. And then there was a journaling card that I had tucked under the flap there. I used the double envelope. You can put those in the signatures, you know, in the middle of the signatures, but I put them right in the middle because I was using this paper and I just liked how it looked. So these two pieces come in the kit as well, and I just used them to tuck the envelopes. And then inside the envelopes, I just have a little index card with some stenciling on that side. Let's see what's on this side. I think it's similar. Yeah, it's just another one. And then on I have some lace tied in the signature, and then a beehive and bee charm there. So that just tucks under there. We've got a pocket here with a little scrappy embellishment, a couple of homemade journaling cards here, and then one of the tickets from the kit. Once again, a journaling card, and this one I've done the beehive stenciling on the back. And then this is, again, a little merchandise tag that had a little grommet, so I just made that into a tag, put some coffee dyed paper on the back. And this little tuck, I have made a little booklet from, this is some of the handmade paper from Sarah at the mushroom market, and I just made a little tablet there that sticks there. And this is from the kit, again with lines on the back for journaling. Little stenciling on this page. Made a pocket out of a doily here, and then took, once again, the big tags, and I just folded them so that they make a big journaling spot. Here's that beautiful eco-dyed paper once again. Some of the avocado dyed. This again is a tuck in here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then this is a sack that I put one of the journaling cards from the kit as embellishment on the pocket. Did a little stenciling. This was an eco-dyed bag by Rosemary Morris. Then again, a postcard and a journaling card from the kit. This is one of the little merchandise tags from Denise's shop. I put a little fabric there, and then these words, the hive, come from Artymaze's kit. So I'll put that in there. Then I had this in my stash. It's just, it's a postcard of wasps in the bee family anyway. And then this makes a pocket on the side that I have a big index card on, some trim from Denise's shop, A Tattered Dream, and a little tab from the kit, and that just slides right down in there. The back page is collaged once again with a little embellishment from the kit, and then collaged on the back. This is more fabric from A Tattered Dream, and I put some words from Artymaze's kits here on this little scrappy embellishment, and then the back page. So there you have it. That is my Artymaze A Tattered Dream design team project, the bee journal. And this will be listed in my Etsy shop, Cinnamon Tea, on Saturday, February 2nd at 1 p.m. Mountain Time. I will put that in the description box so that you can refer to that. I need my little bee to turn around. Let's see. So if you're interested in this journal, it will be listed Saturday, February 2nd. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And thank you, Andrea, for the inspiration, this wonderful bee kit. This will not be my last bee journal. I just had so much fun making this. And thank you, Denise, for all the goodies that just make a journal come together every time. So thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.